So right now, what I'm doing over here, I went into the system. I'm going to do a quick search. We're going to be looking for projects that are bidding. I'm going to look at areas for New York City, Long Island, Hudson Valley, all the counties, and then we want to focus on Division 9, which is the finishes, interior. Right? Then I'm going to hit search. Once I hit search, we see a list of all these different.
Yeah,
so this
right.
50,000 is a flooring job in Nassau County, bidding 327. So Jones Beach Bathhouse, that's before finish replacement, and they want about 50,000 to 150,000. So if I click on this one, this is a Jones Beach West Bathhouse, right? Here's the gas before finish replacement. So when I clicked on the link that over here, this came as a big pop-up. So this pop-up is going to give us the information where we make an educated decision on what we're going to bid. They're saying is anywhere from 50,000 to 1.5 million. We have the location 2000 Ocean Parkway, Wantagh, New York. And then these are the trades involved. We got some removal, some flooring, some waterproofing, and then of course the finishes. This job is going to be 6 months. That's their estimated. Now, every job we find it from a different agencies. Like there's over 85 different portals out there. So when you see this one over here, it's telling you the bid documents. This is the source, New York State Contract Reporter, and we're giving you the actual link. So what you have to do is open this link, your contract reporter. Now here's a scope of work. We'll give you a little summary. So the Parks Department is seeking quotes to remove the existing LVT flooring and supply and install approximately another about 6,500. You know, the shoe trim is about 500 linear feet. We have over here the pre-bid meeting. The pre-bid meeting now is the walkthrough, which is very important. Sometimes these pre-bid meetings are mandatory. Sometimes you have to go there, but you can't bid the job. So what's important is that when you see, okay, this one is 313 at 11 a.m. at Jones Beach West. So this is important. So if you really want to bid this flooring job, first step, in order to really do it, go to the pre-bid meeting on 313 at 11 a.m. Sign the sign-in sheet when you're there. You have your construction ready. You have your hard hat, you have a safety vest, you have your boots. So you can't go in there with sneakers and shorts. You have to make sure, you know, you're OSHA approved. Over here are the plans. So the beautiful thing about the public sector, they tell you exactly what has to be done. There's no question. This one over here is it's only 3 pages. You have the finished replacement. So this is the picture. This is the flooring, the main dining. This is what they want to replace. We have our estimators who go through this and they read all these details. So over here you have all the notes. This is very important. This is where it comes in. You read the notes. It let you know. But sometimes the disposal, it might say, oh, it's asbestos or it's hazardous materials. That changes the price. You can't just take it out and go black bags. You have to put it in special, you know, demolition and so forth. So you have to be on top of this. You're always going to get an asbestos sub.
Okay.
If you don't have the license, you're going to name him, say, I'm using, you know, Joe Smith from Smith Asbestos, and his price was $28,000 for the removal, and it's part of your proposal. And let me show you how the breakdown is. This one too, I believe they provide you. So over here, before I go into that, this is specifications. So the specs are going to tell you exactly what model flooring, what thickness of the LVT, you know, what's acceptable, because they might recommend a style that maybe went out of business and you have to get something as an equal alternate. You have to know the exact specifics. So if it matches the same thickness and the same commercial grade, you can submit it to the architect and say, hey, can I use this as an alternate? But you'll have in here exactly all the PDFs of what's, you know, how they install everything on there. Public sector is all black and white. There is no ambiguity. There's no, if it's written exactly how minimum requirements, exact specifics on everything top to bottom. So there is no question about, you know, do I bid this or do I do that? You read the specs. Now, what's good about this project is that the agency is providing you the quantities. They're telling you here it's about 5,000 square feet, 58, 55, 80.
Yep.
And the shoe trim is about 560, and you know, labor is 1. And then you're gonna put in your price.
Yep.
And then you're gonna put in your company name, and this is your bid.
And that's it. This is our bid.
That's it.
Managed construction.